driving.
Tacos El Tajín. Hey, yo! El Tajín, bro. Every time I make a video, this fucking taco truck pops up. Remember we picked up a car? And there was a taco truck. And I was shout out Tacos El Tajín. I'm gonna put that shit on the clip, man. Go to the Tacos El Tajín.
Do you like driving in traffic?
Or no, it's like you keep moving back and forth. If you can see like how bad we are actually moving, it's crazy.
What happened?
And then the truck behind us, I don't know if it's gonna clear the sign.
He thinks that that's not gonna cross it.
I understood this traffic out here.
I never understood their roads out here.
Seattle roads are just something else, man.
Like, they just had three lines right here that's gonna turn into 2 or 1. And then you have to let us know in the comments if you would be able to stay in traffic like this, you know?
Yeah, let us know if you can deal with this traffic. I think I'm okay, depending. If I was me going to work, oh no, this will be like, just like everyday like madness. It's like, I'll be so mad. Look at that building. It's so like silverish.
Alright guys, you know, just a little still in traffic. But
So much.
we're like what? 7 minutes out?
We're 6 minutes out.
Traffic got a little better. Alright guys, we got the parts that is for the LS.
I just went and got a hood and a couple little pieces. I just hope the hood doesn't flip out. No, you know, I needed a hood. That's the last power I needed for my car. So it looks better and it doesn't look weird. So your boy got the hood, your boy got everything. So now we just gotta head back to the crib. Try to put that valve on. Maybe we can drive the car today. I don't know. The hood, I gotta get some. I got some clear coat. I just need some black paint. I don't know if I just kind of send it off and grab some spray paint and just paint it black and clear coat it. But yeah, so we're still up here in North Seattle, and it's hot as fudge. It's so hot, super hot, and this window doesn't go down. It's a couple things I might just have to sand it off and just paint it black. But it should work. It should work, guys. It should work. It should work. And
so Daddy shoots something like that, but trick something, but shoots something. But
Remember we were doing the shifters? Something had broke and he had to come and refix what he had broke.
oh, this is gonna be fucking hell. Huh? Yeah, no, I got a new battery for the car like last week. Also, my if I can come show you the kid, my old heater valve control just fucking broke right there. So I went and replaced it. I found a part out. Homie said he had it for cheap. I'm gonna put it in a bag. I gotta tie in some bolts and it should be kind of done. Engine's still in one way. So Then I got this right here for that, and then I got this that you'll see what I'm gonna put in a second. With the ashtray, the tray, the heated bathrobe. I wanna do from this OEM Lexus thing, and I kind of want to install it or program it and see if it actually works. It would be cool to actually like hear if it beeps or something. So let's see how it goes. Oh, I got it. It's not locking, but it's opening my trunk. No way, it fucking works. Bro, I think I just upped the value of my car for like $2,000. I got you. All right, guys. So I got this transmission arm rod, and I might be able to see the difference, but I don't know if this is just bent or. But yeah, you see the difference in what I was trying to do. So let's put this on and see how it goes. So I just got a new belt for the car. Okay. So one looks so corroded. You can see. Yeah, one looks a little better. Shine it.
Putting this belt on. This needs to come up here.
Hold it right there.
Hold it right here.
Yeah. Can you?
Mm-hmm. Look at the wind. It's a little sunny out here still, but we don't have that much sun left.
Let go of the belt.
Let go of the belt.
Let go of the belt.
Got the belt on. Now we're just checking.
Oh, you saw the old one?
The old one is right here. You want to show it to me?
It was okay. But if you really like, this is what I was wearing. Probably the OEM one, Toyota. Came from factory.
Came from factory. And then you got the other one on. And then what are you about to do next?
This is right in it.
So the fan is grinding on that. We're about to do that next. Just gotta pour that forward so that the fan doesn't hit. First time on the road. Everything's everything looking good. It's sounding good.
Baby, look at the biker. Oh, the beast. So we're gonna install the grill, Gonna put the hood in the car. So far, so good, guys. Happy 420, happy Easter to everybody. Just to put the hood back together. So let's put the grill back on. We can see what we got going on. Ooh.
Sit it down. Right, well, there you go. Now bring it over here.
Hey, this is why I don't work in cars. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
You don't remember which one was which?
No, because they're not the same size, Papa.
He has two.
I have 4 long ones.
Okay, your 4-1 ones go right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
He's taking off this hood.
Hood is doing this, you don't want that. It's the original thing that came in the car left.
If it's a 10 notch.
I'm gonna bring this up, okay?
Bring it up a little bit.
Oh, it's so cold. Oh, huh? I have to bring it up, but...
Can I start undoing this one? This side?
Sure, if you want.
Right.
Got the LS. One of these days, I might drive the car with no hood. Look, it looks like they fixed this before. Hi.
Ah,
Look at that.